Here's a real estate insider tip for you. You've probably heard this before. Marry the house, date the rate. Now, that's glib and it's cute, and it's also true. I know mortgage lenders with 30 plus years experience who are buying homes for themselves right now in the current mortgage environment. I know realtors with ample experience buying homes for themselves right now. And here's what they know that you may not. By all accounts, National Association of Realtors, Mortgage Bankers Association, the mortgage interest rates will come down in the spring. That's good news for buyers who are looking to buy in the spring, but what if you don't have 6 or 9 months to wait? What if you need a house now? Buy the house now. The rate is the rate. When the rate goes down, refinance. The pros are buying houses now. You should buy a house now.